Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in Foley Square. It's Friday, June 23rd, 2023. We're covering the Southern District of New York courthouse, but we'll begin as with the Trump docket, of which there were at least 3 stories yesterday. One for the upcoming removal case in SDNY of the Alvin Bragg case. There was a joint letter yesterday saying that on June 27th there will be no live witnesses, and Trump will not be coming. No surprise, no surprise. In the pyramid scheme case, which we have been covering from the beginning, the plaintiffs, they're represented by the same lawyer that represented Eugene Carroll. The plaintiffs will be able to depose 4 late disclosed witnesses. So there's that. And in opposition to a new trial in Carroll versus Trump, the trial that completed, that we wrote a book about called Trump Trial 1, yesterday they opposed any new trial, citing a transcript from Breest versus Haggis, which was a New York State Me Too case that we covered right down here downtown. Haggis, it involved Scientology, it involved a movie producer. It was quite something, and you can find the story online. As a follow-up, ChatGPT, the 2 lawyers, LaDuca and Schwartz, that were hauled in front of Judge Castell for having turned in a brief that made up 6 cases, and then doubled down and turned out printouts of the failed cases. In any event, they're charged $5,000, and they're supposed to write to send the decision to the judges whose names they misused, or ChatGPT did. And that's that, although it won't be the end of it. Now, on the Sam Bankman-Fried related docket, Kwon is in he's being detained for only 4 months overseas for a fraudulent passport. Will he ever be extradited to the United States? Yesterday we saw in the Mad Court 2 people extradited from Croatia, but they're Slovenians. Filimonovic and Urbank, or Urbanek. It's spelled 2 different ways, and we covered that. 400 kilos of heroin. Meanwhile, the Black Sea Grain Initiative, Antonio Guterres' one accomplishment, apparently is no more. Failure and censorship. We continue.